guys to another video. It's to Nemoy, and we're going to try to catch some carp. We've got some worms as bait too, for maybe some cod or yellow belly. There have been cod and yellow belly caught in here too. So yeah, keep tuned. Alright guys, I've just hooked up to a carp here. Just about put my rod in the water. I'm rigging up another rod just there. Oh, foul hooked. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh.
So I got 2 hooks on. Crap. Tiny. So guys, here we have the 2 carp just there. Not bad size. A bit smaller. But there's all the other carp that we've been catching here. So get the rods back in. I'll finish rigging up that rod over there. And Josh was just flicking his lure. And yeah, see if we can get a couple more. Right guys, so we've just, yeah, hooked up to a nice fish here. Oh, hell yeah.
Not the biggest we've got out of here, but he's all right.
Are you sure?
Yeah, he's still a good fish though.
Oh yeah, he's tiny.
Yeah, oh shit. What like a big bite from
This small
that
fish?
big, yeah.
No, yeah. I've got my drag tight too. I'll listen that a bit off.
Jeez, it's not even big.
Yeah.
Oh, that was massive.
Yeah, same. You want to get the lip grips, or you want to get in behind him? Oh, nice.
It's still about 60.
You're not bad size.
It's pretty good.
You put up a good fight.
Oh yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah, alright, well we'll get this guy off the hook and then we'll show you guys him up there. I don't know in there. Alright guys, so these are the 3 just here. Just give him a quick measure.
58.
50. Oh, he looks bigger than that.
A lot bigger than that.
Yeah. He's got a massive tail on him too. Yeah. Alright, so we'll just keep fishing here for a bit longer. What's the time? We leave it around 3. So got another 2.5 hours of fishing, so hopefully we can catch some big ones. Alright guys, so we just hooked up to this nice little carp from, yeah, well, the other carp we caught about 5 minutes ago, and then we was mucking around, just talking, and then this rod just started going off. Lucky I was sitting on that stick there, otherwise it'd be gone, but you have to kill these guys, so we'll just kill him and maybe you could get a couple more. So guys, this fish just here just pulled Josh's rod in the water and he dove for it and he fought it while he's sitting on the ground.
Oh, far out.
That tiny little fish just there. Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Damn. So yeah.
I thought it was going to be a big one, but you pulled me right into the water.
Yeah.
Jeez.
So it's now 1:30. So I'm gonna leave in like another hour. So yeah. Let's get this guy off the hook. And yeah, there's the yellow 3 just there. It's a pretty hot day, so yeah. Alright, so keep tuned. Hopefully we can catch a few more. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope everyone had a happy Christmas. And I'll see you in the next video.